Welcome back guys, to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing a digital thermometer, a product of Amkay Products Pvt Limited, an ISO-certified product. An essential and reliable thermometer to monitor your day-to-day body temperature. Let's get open the box. Here we have a LED thermometer, pink and white color combo, one piece. You can on/off it by clicking on the white button. You can see all the details on the screen here. It measures the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. The thermometer is accurate to within plus and minus 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes with features like fever alert and last long battery. It also has an auto shut-off feature. Use the quality products and share your experience with us. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more Amkay Products informative videos. Thank you.